1 to 10% money we have to donate. Yes, ma'am. Hello.
Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
So we were talking about working from home, okay, or remote. So
Yeah,
in that case, internet has played a main role.
yeah.
So what do you think are the advantages of internet?
Yeah, everyone know about internet importance nowadays. We cannot survive without internet. Uh, it is a basic need nowadays, and internet helps a lot. Like if I want to take classes on Clapingo, an academy, so I need internet. Without internet, I cannot attend. I'm not able to attend sessions, and I'm
I
preparing
won't
for
be able to.
examination.
You will not say I
Yeah, I
am, you
won't
will
be
say
able
I
to.
won't be able to. Yeah,
Yeah, uh, and if anyone working from home, that time
is
internet.
working.
Yeah, that time internet plays a very big role because without internet they cannot join any meeting, they cannot work well.
So you
Internet
think
change.
that is a you would say greater invention of the time.
Yeah,
It is, right? So, but just imagine that internet fails for some time. And it happened, few months back. Now, I don't remember the date when
yeah,
world over, the internet stopped for a while. So, in
yeah.
that case, supposingly such thing happens, what will happen then?
Uh, yeah, it is like when light gone. That time we feel like
When
what?
light goes,
Yeah, when light goes. So we always think like what we have to do because we can't do anything without light. And nowadays internet is also important like electricity.
important,
Yeah, important.
important, yes, yeah.
Yeah, important. Um, yeah. So we can't imagine our life. We can cut. Uh, we cut. Without internet, we cut
Cut off.
social
We get
media.
cut off.
We get
We
cut
get
off
cut
social
off from
media.
social media. Yeah.
Yeah,
So, and nowadays, an improved feature, that is artificial intelligence and chat GPT are also coming, are
yeah,
also prevalent. So, anything you know about chat GPT?
yeah. One of Clapingo tutor told me about this chat GPT.
Okay.
Otherwise, I don't know.
I
I didn't
didn't
know.
know.
Yeah. Otherwise, I didn't know. It is a application or I think it is a website. We have to
App,
first we
yeah.
have to, yeah, we have to log in
Yes.
that website or application. So we will find there so many features like for English it is very
Whenever we say so many, we'll not use so many.
yeah, yeah.
Okay. Hmm.
So there we will find so many things uh, related. We can learn English, and that tutor uh, practically taught me how to use chat GPT and how can we make examples through the help of chat GPT. Like if I'm using an idiom and I want to make new sentence, so I can type there that idiom and
You will get number of sentences
number
for
of
that.
sentences. Yeah,
If you want to write an application, you just write. What do you want to
uh,
write? And you will get so many pages of it, so
and
many
or
types
there
of
is
applications.
yeah, and we can exercise. We can create exercise also, there also because if we want to do some exercise related to tenses, so we can create exercise and there is a
Mm.
PDF open and uh, we
You
can
can open a PDF. You can open a
yeah,
PDF in that and you can exercise. You
yeah,
can do that. Okay, so
yeah. So
ChatGPT in
how
fact is using data from internet only,
yeah,
right? So even you can paint. You
Yeah.
just write this on this, I want to make a painting.
Yeah, but
I tried it.
there are some. Okay, okay.
So I just wrote down that I want a painting like this. So there were four paintings on that basis which I got. So immediately you can get that also.
Yeah, and one more thing, like if you want to get subscription, then there are different features also there. So I'm
Okay.
using only free chat GPT because I'm learning now.
Yes.
So
Okay,
yeah,
okay. Yeah, there are teachers for AI also, artificial intelligence also.
okay, I
People
don't
are
know about this.
teaching, yeah, people are teaching artificial intelligence also, which is still a higher grade of, net services.
Yeah,
Um, it can play havoc also with the
yeah,
system. Like everybody may or may not have knowledge, but you can show it off with the help of chat GPT and artificial
yes,
intelligence. So things can be bad also,
yeah, man.
right? So it will be very difficult in coming times to judge a person if the person really has the knowledge or the person is telling you things from chat GPT or AI. So
Yeah,
things can be tough. There can be loss of some jobs also because
yes,
of
ma'am.
chat GPT and AI, right? So, Priyanka, what do you think about charity? Like how much charity one should do and how?
Mm, yeah, charity is. We can explain charity like if someone need money or clothes,
Needs money,
food,
yeah.
needs money, clothes, food, shelter, and we give them a free of cost, then it is called charity. And if who can do charity? Yeah, who have a lot of money.
Who
That
has?
yeah, who has a lot of money, that person can do this. And for like needy people, we can help them.
Like there is an idiom, charity begins at home.
Yeah,
So, how would you explain this?
charity begins with home. Yeah,
At home.
yeah, at home. First we should do something for our parents
Mhm.
and our siblings also. And like it's a step by step process. Like first we should start from our home. If someone need our guidance, someone
Needs.
needs our uh, help in any kind of help, we start help them. We should
We
help them,
start help. Yeah, we should help them.
and then we can help our neighbors. We can help our society. Then we can do something for our nation, at last we can do something for our world also.
Yeah, that is also there. And another thing is, so for the first level, you should fulfill the needs of your own people at home.
Yeah,
And then you should go out to help people. So if you are helping people outside, but not helping your own people in the house, then it's not good.
yeah.
Right. So, what type of charity you would like to do later in life when you have enough money?
Yeah. First of all, I would like to do some charity related to education. If someone wants to study, but they don't have money, so I will try to uh, provide them free education if I can. And another thing is, uh, I would like to do something for farmers because I belong from a farmer family.
I
I
belong to
belong
a
to
farmer family.
Yeah, I belong to a farmer family, so I know the basics of, like, base of the uh, need and base of the farmer, what they need, what difficulties are they facing. So I would like to do something for them. And yeah, I would like to do something for
Have
women
you ever
also.
donated? Have you ever donated so far anything?
No, no, no,
N-
till now
Not.
I don't. Yeah,
Yeah.
but my parents does.
My parents do. If we say
Yeah,
parent, then we will say does. But if we
does.
say
Yeah,
parents, parents do. My parents do.
but my
Okay.
parents
So,
do.
what is the biggest charity you know your parents did?
Yeah, my parents like they try to hide whatever they do, like for charity. They always try to hide, but yeah, sometimes they give money in like where some food provided by anyone, so they can give them some money.
They give,
Like
yeah,
they
they
can,
give money.
yeah, and they always help needy people like poor people. My mother's uh, my mother's give some
Gives.
shawl, give some shawl to poor people. Yeah, I don't
Okay.
know much about it, but yeah,
Okay.
they do.
Okay. Okay. So that's a wonderful thing. But would you always like to give money or in kind? Would you like to donate in cash or kind?
Yeah, when we talk about beggars, like when I travel in train, when I travel by train, uh, or travel by bus, that time there are so many beggars on roadside. I I give them some money, but not that much because
Yeah.
they are physically fit, but they don't want to work. So I always avoid to give them.
Yeah.
Otherwise, uh, otherwise I can help others. I forgot the
Okay.
question. What is the question?
Yeah. So you would prefer to give in kind.
Yeah, yeah. I would like to give them things like food, clothes. Yeah,
And
not money.
do you think a part of our salary we should be donating to somebody?
Yeah, I also think this 1 to 10% money we have to donate
We
in
we
any
need to. We should.
social work. Yeah, we should donate in any social work or any charity if we can
Yeah.
do.
Okay, so that's good. But do you think that you should be donating money to religious places?
No, I don't think so. Mm, if there is someone needy people wants to some money, then we can give it. But there is no need to uh, decorate too much of temple because God lives in
God.
everyone. God lives in everyone.
God
So
is
we can,
everywhere and lives in
yeah,
everyone.
everywhere.
We
Yeah,
should respect that.
yeah, we
We
should
should
respect.
respect His creations, right?
Yeah.
Right. So very nice talking to you. Priyanka, still, you have to put in some effort for your tenses. SCS. Like today, most of the time I corrected you for S and ES that you have to use, and also take care of your pronunciation of O.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So see you sometimes next session. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, ma'am.
Bye
Bye bye.
bye.
Take
Bye
care.
bye. Take care, you
Ma'am,
too.
I have seen your video on YouTube.
Yeah. Yeah.
Uh, I have seen your video on YouTube.
Yeah.
Arogyam, Arogyam,
Yes.
I think. Yeah,
Yeah,
you are looking
Arogyam and
very pretty. I felt very happy because I know it was unexpected to me. I'm scrolling
okay,
the phone and your picture came.
and I have shared videos with you. Clapingo has shared my video, 2 3 videos with you and with one more of my student. on YouTube. Look for that also.
On which channel? Channel name
On
is
YouTube.
Clapingo.
No, Shashi Kiran Bedi.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah.
You will find it there, your own video with me.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, okay, bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, take care.